Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are going to be trying 6 stunning colors from the brand Model Ones. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but Model Ones, if you do come across this content, go ahead and holla at your girl. You guys can obviously hear I am just trying to get over being sick for the last week. You guys, it is insane. Like, I know I have lupus, I know I have like rheumatoid arthritis, but just getting sick is not normally in my repertoire. But I have been thinking about the channel. I've been thinking about all of you guys, and I am so excited to finally be here presenting some stunning colors. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician. Here on the channel, we talk about nail art, nail designs, as well as nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video to somebody who may be interested in all of those things. I will leave all of my social medias up on the Linktree. You guys, I sound like a freaking hog. I will leave all my social medias up on the link tree. So if you guys are curious as to what I am doing when I am not on YouTube, go ahead and find me there and I will follow you back. I am so excited just to dive into the video. You guys let me know, how are you doing? It's been a couple weeks. I've been thinking about you guys literally every single day. You guys have been consistently blowing up my shorts, and I am just gonna celebrate here because I haven't celebrated with you guys. We just hit 8 million views on Delissime YouTube channel, and I would not be here without all of you guys. So thank you so much. You guys, thank you for your love, your dedication, your consistency, and I am just trying to meet you guys all there. So thank you so much. I'm so excited for all of the people that have been able to make this little dream come true. I feel like I could just hang out with you guys all day, but we have to get into this nail tutorial. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right, you guys, let's get into our very first color. We have number 2341. Now, this is giving almost like a frosty silver shimmer. And I'm also certain this one is a cat eye effect as well. So in this little like 6 package kit, you will actually receive a little cat eye magnet. So for those of you who may have a hard time manipulating your cat eye, you can actually get a little kit. That's so funny. So that the magnet works well with the polish. Now, I have my little Saviland UV light, and that is what I'm going to use for like our quick cures, right? Like I don't necessarily need to bring out my entire nail lamp, right, just to set a swatch, but this is what 2341 looks like after it's hit with the magnet, and it is absolutely stunning. Moving right along to our second color, this is 2602. And if you guys haven't already taken a peek, a gander at the nail set that I have on, this is actually the color that I'm currently wearing. And you guys, it is absolutely stunning. Like when you shift it, I feel like it's one color here and then another color. I was almost convinced that this color was a cat eye, and you can actually see me trying to manipulate it with the magnet that it comes with. And I was like 100% sure because the first one is like giving glitter, it's giving shine, it's giving all this. And then I go and I use the magnet, and baby, it's not budging. So I'm like, okay. Okay, I think I just fell in love with it, and I didn't even try to see if it was cat eye when I put them on my own nails, but what do you think? 2602, definitely one of my favorites. Okay, and to our third color, we have 2334, and this one is almost giving very much pearl. I decided that I was just gonna put it on the swatch by itself to really see the true beauty when it's actually on the swatch. And I also really like this one. I am when I'm like looking at these polishes, I'm thinking number one, I'm thinking number three will have to be something that I'll have to use for my new set. I just feel like with 2334, some 3D nail art. Oh my goodness, top it off with some top coat. You guys, I'm not even joking. I am so obsessed with these colors. Now, when I go onto Amazon, I'm just like literally like surfing through like anything that I haven't used or seen or tried before. And it's funny because I always try to lean towards brands that I'm comfortable with, right? Born Pretty, Modelones, Maniology. I feel like all of those are pretty freaking solid. Now we are rolling right into 2614. 2614 is almost giving like a more green version of the color that I have currently on my set. I feel that maybe this on top of like, I don't know, any other color would really make it stand out. Now you guys can see I'm quite a bit heavy handed because I really just want to get the true colors of what's peeping through. I'm getting gold, I'm getting green and some blue, dare I say turquoise. I feel like those are like all like one color like mixed together, which is so funny. This one is also not a cat eye, which I think is so funny, you guys, because I'm like, I know a cat eye when I see it, when I look at the top of the bottle. It's giving cat eye, but 2614, I see you. Okay, so here we have 2612, and this is a very deep green, so pretty. Now, I'm 100% sure this one is cat eye because I would be, call me crazy a little bit if it's not cat eye. And you know what's so funny? I've only put one coat of this polish on this swatch, but clearly it was enough for me to just go right into touching it with the magnet. Normally, you know me, I do like one coat, I do two coats, but this one is full coverage. And so I'm like, okay, let's just hit it with the cat eye and see what it looks like. And honestly, you guys, it is so beautiful the way that the magnet moves, so seamless, really just gliding it over the swatch to get my desired crescent moon is what I like to call this one. And as you're shifting it, you can see how stunning it turned out. So sad, but it is time for 2611. This is actually going to be our very last color. And honestly, you guys, I have just been thinking I've just been thinking about all of my clients that love their glitter nails, and I am so extremely excited to be able to present some new colors, some new things. Born Pretty actually just reached out and they're going to be sending some new products. So I will have some videos coming out just to showcase some of the items that I thought would be really cool, some colors that I don't already have associated with my nail collection. As you guys can see, I have a ton of nail polish, nail art, nail designs. So we have the Beatles top coat. I have been using the Beatles polish for such a long time, and I thought paired with the Modelones gel polish, I'm so sorry. I feel like paired with the Modelones polishes, it is perfect. Now, I've tried Model One's top and base coat, and I feel like they are very spotty, very inconsistent in the way that they lay. So, yes, I know it's like a hodgepodge of products that I'm using, but I feel that I know which ones will work well together and which will give the the longest retention when it comes to like having nails on, right? And like no chipped polish, right? Hate me some chip polish. But let me know down in the comments which one your favorite color is. You guys already know which one I am thinking about starting for my next nail set. But look at all of these beauties. They are absolutely stunning. I feel like the light is giving it justice. And of course, we are going to be adding it to my little key ring because that just means that my collection of nail polishes is growing, growing, growing. So exciting, you guys. But you guys let me know if you like this type of video more than just me doing a voiceover. I'm trying something new. So if this is something that you might be interested in and you get to like hang out with me kind of like throughout the video instead of just like the intro and the outro. But yes, give me some feedback. I want to know. I want to hear from you. So you guys already know which one my favorite one is. I mean, look at these nails. I absolutely am in love with this set. I'm so much in love with this set that I am on vacation and I didn't even want to change them because they're literally so fantastic. I love them. So I want to hear from all of you guys down in the comments which color is the color that speaks to you. Which one do you want me to use on my next nail set? I feel like the very first one is also speaking to me. That with like a little bit of 3D nail art. I don't know. I don't know, but I'm excited for you guys to let me know which one you like. Follow me on my Linktree. And let's see, so many things to celebrate. Again, I'm just so thankful for all of you guys. And I am just happy to be in front of the camera. It has been a very, very emotional last couple of weeks for me. And my body has just been going haywire. And I, just recently went to the doctor and, got some news, gonna do some blood work, gonna do some testing and try to see, what's going on with me and all the autoimmune diseases that love to live in my little body. But without further ado, I will catch you guys for another video soon. I promise I will try to post a video sooner rather than later. But, I always am talking about health and balance and peace. And I really feel like I'm at a place right now where I'm just trying to get back to peace. So, enough about me. I want to hear from you guys. And I'll see you for another video soon. Bye.